Chat GPT is influencing all of us. Know what is best for you. Chat GPT is a friendly robot brain you can chat with anytime. Chat GPT is a computer program that can understand questions and write answers like a human. Using artificial intelligence reply. It is your virtual smart helper that can answer questions, write emails, essays, or stories, help you learn new topics, create ideas for work or study. It's for everyone who wants fast answers to complex questions, generates ideas. For IT it's for code assistance and much more. For non-IT people it can draft emails, reports, teach new topics. For professionals it's a complete research assistant. For non-IT professionals it is a learning aid, an idea generator. It also assists with latest trends, cooking recipes, travel guidance, and also emotional and mental support. However, it also has its disadvantages, like it fails in data privacy and reduces human critical thinking power. It sometimes even gives wrong answers confidently. Most of its versions have a cost and it's only knows what it is trained on. It does not understand local or unique topics. So who should use Chat GPT? It's actually good for students, teachers, content creators, developers mostly, and they should know the goods and bads of Chat GPT. Chat GPT can save time, spark ideas, and simplify work for almost anyone. Use it as a smart assistant, but always double-check important information. If you work with text, ideas, or learning, Chat GPT is worth exploring.